I could do it real quick. Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm on with all these people.
Hello there. Excuse me.
Alright. We got a...
This vintage smoke alarm eBay search has been interrupted by a short unboxing video.
Yeah, this will be relatively short. Taking out... Oh shoot, I did not mean to show that. Okay.
Oh, well, I guess we can just easily blow that out.
See
You can also make a sudden jump cut like I would.
I can't believe I can't believe Sweet Honey Melee played at the party.
I can't believe you bought a Chevron with it.
Bruh.
Okay, so here it is. We have...
That's funny. What version of the triangle is that?
I don't even know. There's the base, there's the manual, and here's the triangle. Woo! So you know what I'm gonna do? I
literally thought it was a Chevron in there. I literally thought it was a Chevron. Honestly. But that was worth it, though. That was worth it.
Wait, what's happening? I don't see any messages.
That was funny. And I casualty at 2400.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
And a missing first alert. And precision detector first alert. And a ceiling fan. And an attic door. Everything. That was funny, though.
And the thing is with this triangle, this one actually has the logo compared to this one. So now I
wonder
have.
if it works.
So now I have three.
Probably not, because the battery, you know.
So now I have 3 triangles in one triangle.
Yep.
I think the triangles were the first 10-year carbon monoxide alarm.
I'm still dying of laughter after that prank.
Curious on this thing. Because I've always wanted a Chevron.
There.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I really want one of those too.
I saw a circular SA-10 wire one time.
Ah, there's...
Speaking of that, there's an SA-10 wire on eBay right now.
Yeah, I saw one, and it was still operating after 20 years.
Childhood. Yeah, there's actually one sealed in the package on eBay right now.
Okay.
Based on the package, I think it's a code 3 model.
So here's the pole. This is what it looks like. It's got the Simplex logo on it. It's got the triangular evidence pull tab.
Oh no!
And here's what it looks like when it's pulled. And resetting it.
Yeah, it's a really cool
It
pull
opens
station.
up.
I really want one.
It's just a pull station. The model is the 2999768.
Yeah, I really want one. They're really cool.
Yeah, cool. see these a lot in my area.
Yeah.
At least in JFK.
Yeah, I saw a decent amount of those out in the wild as well.
That's Chevron, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a Chevron.
Simplex version, or what is it?
It looks like the new looking version.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the Simplex version, because I know it's that because the model number.
Yep, it's Simplex.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's actually the version I'm after.
Well,
Yeah, I've seen it before.
It's definitely one of my big must-haves.
For fire alarms, yeah.
Yeah, I really want one of those.
anyways, that's the unboxing of another triangle. And
Simplex Chevron. Oh no! Oh god! Triangle prevention activated.
Laugh crashed again.
I will have you know that the image of the triangle in my frickin' photo, right? I will have you know that I believe it has a logo that we have not seen yet. Because I'm going to give you the entire stock image. This is a stock image, too. That's the stock image if you want to see it.
yeah, it's a different logo. Thank you. That's on my holy grail list.
God.
Now he crashed. Oh wait, he sent a triangle. That means he has to crash himself.
If I thought they were...
There he goes.
Alright, well, that's it.
The last crashed again. Bro sending even more triangles. That means he's gonna have to crash again. We're just like triangles.
Don't forget the Simplex Chevron has a triangle pole.
Oh yeah.
This is a very triangular-tastic unboxing today. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed.
There's
Are you recording? Are you still recording?
Yes.
Alright. I'm just making
Oh
sure.
my god. What is going on tonight?
Oh, I'm breaking this guy.